Serge is a non-profit organization that brings clean water to those who lack access to this basic necessity, which is currently 800 million people.
Design, Dine, Donate is a competition that gave the Dubai design community who lack access to nothing a chance to give what they value the most, their time and creativity.
The concept of the chair is around unifying the idea of the two sponsors, which is really around the Serge charity, which is about water, and also the idea of American oak. So I wanted to show the idea of a tree as a kind of a natural pump, bringing groundwater from deep parts of the ground to the air where it evaporates by transpiration and forms part of the water cycle. And then that gave the idea of showing how the tree is then born from the wood.
The key about this chair, we use the Arabic calligraphy because it's very flexible to using this all the letters as Arabic, and we start to use letter Sin, which is S, as an attribute for Serge.
It started first by reflecting our Middle East culture. So we said it's fine, so we can create something from Arabic calligraphy.
Yes, actually the name of the chair is Joy. Basically, it's a chair that needs to be used in two, or in partnership.
And tried to find the essence of what charity was about. It's a matter of just piecing it together and seeing how it came together.
It's called Distract, and as you can see, it's pretty sharp and lots of edges. It's all about disruption. I called it Distract to demand attention.
I'm sitting on a chair which has conceptualized from the water form, I would say. We are trying to accentuate the importance of water, the use of clean and drinking water. So I'm right now sitting on a chair which conceptualizes water in the form of a well.
Well, when we were first approached to design a seating element for Serge, we thought, what could we do? Would it be a chair or a stool or a bench? And we thought it was such a great opportunity to bring back the rocking chair because it's such an important piece of furniture in an emotional way. It brings back a lot of fond memories. You know, it's in our grandparents' homes. And
the name of my chair is Linx, which means that all the shapes are connected together to the center, attached together to the center of the traditions of UAE.
To make the end product, we used American ash. We liked the lighter color of it to kind of reflect on, as Hicham mentioned, the history of Dubai, also the sand that you so often see. And we decided to put a nice green, lush piece of material in there, a nice planter, to kind of symbolize the life that can be found within a very arid land.
We began with our design by looking at the concept of Serge and how water is connected within nature.
The story of our chair basically starts with the life of the dragonfly and it's this ancient insect and how it's drawn to water, how it can be something so fragile, but it can still be an element that's so strong. So we decided to actually design a bench instead of just a chair because we wanted to have the ability to have people together.
We really pay attention on detail and how we are going to produce that to look perfect.
This chair can be rearranged in different arrangements, which then leads to people interacting.
We discovered that everything in nature has a geometric pattern and we wanted our chair to reflect this geometric pattern.